Now let's talk about the actual rule. What does this strategy do, step by step? First, we need two moving averages, a fast one and a slow one. Let's say the fast one looks at the last 10 days of closing prices, and the slow one looks at the last 50 days. Every single day, we calculate both of these averages fresh. The fast average updates quickly because it only looks at a small window of recent days. The slow average updates more gradually because it's smoothing over a much bigger stretch of time. Here's the rule, plain and simple. If the fast average is below the slow average, and then it crosses up above it, we buy. That crossing moment is everything. We're not buying just because the fast average is above the slow average. We're buying at the exact moment it crosses, the moment the relationship between the two flips. And on the flip side, if the fast average is above the slow average, and then it crosses down below it, we sell. Again, it's the crossing that matters. Not just the position, but the transition, the moment one line passes through the other. So unlike buy and hold, where we buy once and then go silent, this strategy can buy again, sell again, however many times the averages cross over the life of the backtest. There's no opinion involved, no guessing, no emotion, just two numbers recalculated daily and a simple comparison. Is the fast one above the slow one, or below it? And did that relationship just change? That's the entire rule. It doesn't try to predict where the trend is going. It simply reacts immediately the moment the short-term momentum shifts relative to the long-term trend. It's reactive, not predictive, and that distinction matters a lot when you're learning to think like a strategy builder.